Hi guys, so today we are taking Rico to the bird farm. So that's exciting. He loves birds. He loves the Rio movie, so we're gonna go and check them out. I'm so excited to see him get all crazy. Oh, my puppies. Hiya, Buzz. Hello. You ready to go see birdies, puppy? ¿Listo para ir a ver los pajaritos? Huh? He doesn't even know what the hell we're gonna go do yet, but it's not fun. We're just putting gas in right now and getting the truck ready so we could go. But yeah, we'll see when we get there. Hi, amores. Hello, guys. Hello, babies.
Mira qué grande.
Rico.
Sí, no. He can eat you.
He's like, what?
It's that's I would tell you were painful and I wouldn't do it. That's not what it is.
He's like,
It's a birdie.
He's like, whoa. Wow.
Look, an orange chicken.
He is not as excited as I thought he'd be. Rico.
So many birds.
He's not happy.
So many birds.
Not so excited.
Así se vieron las uñas de mi pata.
This one says it has Edgar hair. Where? So pretty. What happened with the birdies, puppy? Huh?
Tell them no words.
No
No
comment.
flash photography. No
No
comment.
comment, please.
No comment.
Thanks. So he was not so crazy about it. I thought he'd be a little more enthusiastic than that, but he finally got to see his birdies, so that's all that matters. Here's him just processing what he just witnessed right now.
Like I said, I think it was just too much.
Rico! Not the milk. Not the milk.
Cómetelo. Cómetelo, dámelo.
There are all these little stalls, but they weren't like set up.
Whoa. So I
love the
think
top. Look at the top. Look, you see that? You see that top? The thing, it's like over there, like on the side.
I still don't know what you mean. Yeah, I guess. Anyways, I think that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little something something. Yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Sayat. Bye bye.